Hello everyone, I'm Gregory. Welcome back to my channel this week. Today we will learn how to make these hot chocolate bombs in 3 different flavors: classic chocolate, sugar cookie, and Oreo. They are super easy and quick to do, and they make a delicious hot chocolate. You will love it. We will need a cup of dark chocolate melts. Microwave for 1 minute at 50% power and stir it. To finish melting, put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Keep stirring until the chocolate is fully melted. This is the texture we want. You will need a silicone mold which is flexible enough to remove without breaking the chocolate. The 6-cavity mold is my favorite. Using a spoon, we will pour the melted chocolate inside every cavity in the mold. Distribute the chocolate the best you can, reinforcing the sides and borders since these tend to break when they come out of the mold. Avoid using too much chocolate, 1 tablespoon should be enough. Now we'll need 2 cups of melted white chocolate melts. In the same way, pour the white chocolate over each cavity, spreading it around well. Add 1/3 cup of crushed Oreos to the remaining white chocolate and mix it well. This flavor with Oreos is slightly more difficult to spread. Make sure the entire cavity is covered so you don't end up with holes in the chocolate. Freeze it for about 5 minutes. Once the time has passed, carefully remove them from the mold wearing gloves so we don't leave fingerprints or stains on the chocolate. Press the bomb slightly against a plate previously warmed up in a microwave to smooth and even the borders. For the filling, we will use 1 teaspoon of cocoa in each bomb and 2 teaspoons of mini dark chocolate chips. Now we will mix 2 tablespoons of buttermilk with 2 tablespoons of sugar to make the filling for the sugar cookie bombs. We will also use rainbow chocolate chips. We will need 2 teaspoons of chocolate sprinkles. Add crushed Oreos in 2 of the bombs. We will also need rainbow sprinkles. We will now add the traditional mini marshmallows. Add chocolate syrup in the first 2 bombs and caramel syrup in the next 2 bombs. Finally, add white chocolate syrup to the remaining 2 bombs. Using a hot plate, melt the borders of each half and press them together with care. For the Oreo bombs, we will use the halves that we made containing the white chocolate and Oreos. Repeat the same process. And to finish, press the white chocolate halves together on the remaining bombs. To decorate them, drizzle the white chocolate on top and add chocolate sprinkles and chocolate chips. Place the chocolate bombs on cupcake liners to easily move them. For the sugar cookie bombs, drizzle white chocolate in both directions and add rainbow sprinkles. For the Oreo bombs, drizzle dark chocolate in all directions and sprinkle crushed Oreos on top. We will need a medium window box. Secure the sides with tape to give it more support. To cover the base, we will use a doily and secure it with tape as well. Now put the chocolate bombs in these decorative cupcake liners so they are more stable when we place them inside the box. We will use red crinkled paper to cover the empty spaces. To decorate the lid, place a gift bow on top. We will also cut the hearts off the remaining cupcake liners. I will add these heart stickers on the empty spaces so it is more eye-catching. Now I will glue a dotted red ribbon to the box to give it a final touch. Due to the kind of box I'm using, I had to divide the ribbon in 2 and make the back separate. Then I cut, glued, and hid the extra ribbon so it looks like one piece. And it is ready. Look how precious they turn out. They are perfect to give as a gift for someone that loves chocolate. The only thing they need to do is place them in a cup, add hot milk, wait for a minute, and voila! They will get a wonderful, tasty hot chocolate in a matter of seconds. Which hot chocolate bomb was your favorite? Leave me a comment below. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!